And moving on now, the Congress has called off its alliance with the RJD in Bihar ahead of the by-elections in the state. Meanwhile, the Congress has declared that the party will contest on all 40 seats alone in Bihar in the next Lok Sabha elections as well. Here's what RJD MP Manoj Jha had to say.
Whether Bhakt Charan ji has the backing or the support, or whether he has spoken to the High Command, the central leadership of Indian National Congress, I think we'll wait for that. However, if the Congress is a national party, if Bhakt Charan Das ji wishes to contest all 40 seats, why only 40? Please contest on 543 seats. We shall be more than happy if you defeat BJP fighting on 543 seats. That's obvious.
So you are being very categorical about it.
No, I'm not. I'm not being.
Do you really mean that the Congress doesn't have support base on all the 543 seats? I was speaking to Sivanand Tiwari in an interview. He said that the Congress has a strong base on only 200 seats in entire country. Rest 343 seats should be given to the regional party. Do you also endorse his view?
Look, that's very many people forget political parties, political leaders. Others are also saying 220, 15 seats are there. But my main important contention before you, because when you were speaking to your channel, I tell you, Kusesharistan is the seat where they say that we did not fall. You know, the candidate we have put there is this community which remained unrepresented from this constituency for last so many years. There was a massive traction for that community. We wanted to have that particular community represented from Kusesharistan, and Congress did not agree.
I get your point. So Tariq Anwar has also tweeted, he's the senior general secretary of the Congress party. He has said that the Congress should stand on its own in Bihar, and its call of the alliance, we should not piggyback now.
I'll tell you very frankly, again, I wish him and his ideas a good luck. I think Tariq Saab is a senior leader. He must have weighed his words before speaking. Every political party has the freedom or the right to increase its footprints. Please do that. Please do that. We have no qualms about it.
So since you have no qualms about it, do we mean that the RJD Congress alliance is over from the RJD as well, and you don't need the Congress at all because it doesn't have any support?
Look, Congress central leadership, and you must, and everybody knows that the relationship between Sonia ji and Lalu ji, when nobody was willing to stand with Sonia ji, Lalu ji did not care for the political cost. He stood. So unless we hear something substantial from the central leadership, we are not going to, in fact, add much value or put much premium on what a Twitter handle says on this point or that point.